What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to take you along for a little ride all the way to Philadelphia. That's right, we're making Philly cheesesteaks. So right here I just got a flank steak. It's marinated in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of some meat church rub called Holy Gospel. It's really sweet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it out. I'm going to slice it pretty thick because that's just how I like it. When I get it sliced, I'm going to chop some of them in half just to make the pieces a little bit smaller. That way they cook pretty quickly on the griddle. You can use whatever you want to. A lot of people use rib eyes that are sliced real thin. That's actually the actual Philadelphia way. But this is just how I like to do it. We like skirt steak. Tastes good. Make good fajitas out of them. But today we're going to make Philly cheesesteaks out of them. So just to show y'all what I got going on over here. I got just a yellow onion, just sliced up. Pretty chunky still. Some bell peppers, same way. Got some provolone. I got our meat. And then I got a good old Hoagie Wonder Bread. So my grill's already pre-seasoned. So I'm just gonna get my oil over here and over here. We're just gonna throw our bell pepper and onion on. So the side I'm throwing my onion and bell pepper on is on low heat. These are going to cook pretty quick, so you kind of just want them to cook slowly. Give them a nice little turning around here. We're just going to cook these till the onion becomes a little translucent. Alright, once you get those started, now we're going to throw on our meat. Like I said, this is skirt steak, so it's a little more thin. So as my steak's cooking, I do like to take some of this marinade and just drizzle it over it. Yeah, it's going to make a big sludge on the griddle, but that's why we clean it. Now that my onions are cooked, my steak's nice and cooked, I like to just move everything over there. Kind of give it a good toss. Right over here. Now that that's all mixed up, got my hoagie bun here. I'm going to take some squeezable butter and just a little line down it. Set that right there. Let it toast a little bit. Same thing with the top side. While that's toasting, I'm going to move some of this out here to the middle. A good little bit. I'm going to take my provolone, lay it right across the top of it, let it sit there just like that. Did you enjoy this video? If so, go down there, give it a like, a share, maybe comment, show it to your mom, show it to your dogs. Let's all cook some good food together. Stay tuned. I feel a brisket in our future.